Okay, now ask the question. No, no, no. What's this? What's this, Kira?
Kira, what's this?
What is this?
No, not the kid.
What's that?
What's this? What's this? Oh,
What's this?
it's from Shishi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. What's it for?
Shishi.
From Shishi for your birthday?
So
Wow.
How old are you going to be? 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to open it? You want to open it?
You want to open it?
All right,
Okay.
let's open it.
Okay.
Oh,
Here, here. Here, Kara, can you stand next closer to Daddy, please? Okay.
Why don't I film you? Not close. Here, I'll film you.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay. Here we go. Oh, look how pretty.
Do you like the ribbon, Kira?
It's pretty. Tell Daddy.
Do you like the ribbon?
Okay, it's got an unusual filming style.
Is that, what's that, Kira?
Okay, you want to open the pretty card? Okay, you open the pretty card? Okay, I read it to you. Hi, 2-year-old. Where can your birthday wish be? Maybe you can help find it. Is it over the pond? Is it under the rock? Is it up in the tree? Is it down in the hole? Is it there on the mountain? Silly me, it's right here. Happy birthday, dear Kira. Lots of love, Auntie She and Uncle Brian. That's for your birthday. That's your birthday card. You want to see your present? Want to open it? Okay, let's open it together. Okay? That is right. Good job. Okay, pull the ribbon. Right, pull. Good. Okay, you pull. Oh, good job. Let's see. Let me take this off. Okay, you want to take the box top off? You take it off. That's it. There you go. You open it up. Oh, I see pink. Here you go. Open it up. Ooh, how pretty. Yes, that's from Shishi. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. Boink. Oh, she's falling over. You're so excited.
Oh, those are some heavy
So
clothes.
Oh,
Heavy, I mean
Kira.
heavy, babe.
Here, Kira, come here. Let me hold it up. Let me hold it up. Oh, pretty. That's from Shishi. Do you want
What's
to put it on?
Kira, what's it got on there?
What's that?
What's it have on there?
What's that?
Flower.
Right. Here, you want to try it on? Okay. Let's put it on. Oh, it's so cute, isn't it? It's so nice. Oh, nice. Oh, I love it. You want to leave it? That's from Shishi. You're right. You're right.
Wow, maybe you'll wear that coat.
Oh, so nice. So nice. Okay. Oh, it looks so nice, Kara. What do you say? Can you say thank you to Shishi
So,
and Brian?
That's
That's nice. Thank you. Love it. Beautiful. All right.